Sometimes when you buy a hose, you'll find one that has an aluminum end, and one of the problems you'll find is that if you hook that to a brass faucet and leave it there for several months, it will actually fuse and make it almost impossible to get off with a wrench of any kind. I've had to do that, and I've had to cut it off, and I've got a video that I'll show up here. Hopefully the link will appear up there, and to show you how to get it off, how to cut it off after the fact. But if you have an aluminum end, which it will be silver instead of gold, and sometimes they'll actually plate them in silver or plate them in gold, so they'll look gold but they're actually aluminum. If you put that on, it's going to get stuck. In the instructions for those, they usually tell you every 3 weeks you have to undo it and then do it again, tighten it again, so that it breaks up any of the metal on metal, I can't remember what it's called, electro something. Anyway, it gets rid of that. Yeah, nobody's going to do that. I guess some people will, but not me. So what you can do is you can put Teflon tape around the faucet threads and then put on your aluminum hose, and 3 months later, 4 months later, you'll be able to get it off. So I'll show you what I mean. So here's the faucet, and I had actually put some Teflon tape on before. Here's the hose end, and I don't know if you can tell right there, it actually looks a little gold. It's worn off in most places, but it is aluminum. So you just get your Teflon tape and wrap it in the same direction you're going to put this on. So you're going to go around clockwise, maybe. So just make sure all of the metal on the faucet is covered. And you can put 2 or 3 wraps. Just make sure it's all covered. Anything that would be touching the hose end. Okay, then you make sure that's clear, and then just turn it on. And if you're lucky, you have one of these that gives you a little more grip, some grippage to it. Turned on tight. And you should be good for the season. So hope that helps. I may do another one at the end of the season to show what the result was, but wanted to do this quickly because I know there's people out there that are going to be putting their hoses on the faucet or buying new hoses that have aluminum ends, and if you're not aware that they'll get stuck, this is a good preventative measure. So if that helped, give me a like and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave any comments down below about what else you'd like me to cover, and we'll do a video on it. Thanks for watching.